Ever felt your body betray you the moment panic hits? Yeah, welcome to the human error system. 10. Freeze mode. Your body has this genius idea. When danger hits, sometimes you just stop moving. Like a deer staring at headlights, except you're the deer, and the headlights is an oncoming car. It made sense when saber-toothed tigers were sniffing around. Stand still, maybe don't get eaten. But now, fire in your kitchen, your brain's like, yeah, let's just vibe here until the smoke takes us. 9. Panic brain. Ever had your brain throw logic out the window and start running around like a headless chicken? You know the answer to a test, but in the moment, gone. Poof. Brain says, nope. Panic brain is like an evil magician, making all the smart thoughts disappear just when you need them most. 8. Tunnel vision. Suddenly, the whole world shrinks down to one tiny thing, like looking through a paper towel tube. You don't see the exits. You don't see the people trying to help. You just see the threat, loud and clear. It's like your vision puts blinders on and the danger is the only thing in full color. 7. Sweaty mess. Your body thinks you're running a marathon, even if you're just sitting still. Suddenly, you're drenched like you just stepped out of the shower fully clothed. Every bead of sweat feels like a spotlight announcing everyone can see you panicking. 6. Shaky hands. Your hands start vibrating like a broken phone on silent mode. Try holding a glass of water. Congratulations, you've invented a sprinkler system. Suddenly, writing your own name looks like you're forging it drunk. 5. The brain fog. Your brain turns into Windows 95. Slow, confused, and occasionally crashes. You walk into a room, forget why you're there, and suddenly it's the Bermuda Triangle of your thoughts. It's like your brain's on vacation but forgot to send you a postcard. 4. The palms Niagara Falls. Your palms, Niagara Falls. You shake someone's hand and it's like giving them a free slip and slide ticket. Even your phone is like, bro, I can't handle this moisture. 3. The sweaty symphony. Your armpits turn into sprinklers, dark patches appearing like surprise guests at a party. 2. The shaky legs earthquake. Suddenly, your legs are doing the Macarena, except it's not dance night, it's just your body panicking. You look like Bambi on ice minus the cute factor. 1. The brain freeze of panic attacks. Like your brain is glitching, trying to reboot, but it just freezes.